looking at my helmet, you can see my eyes and my head is going to stay level as I drop in here.
Hello again. Okay, so we moved up through the body really quick in short segments, tying a lot of things together. The last joint we did the ankle joint, knee joint, the hips, the trunk. It's almost a joint because the spine can really be fluid and move. The shoulders. If I'm doing this stuff with my neck, I'm gonna lean too far to the inside. If I keep my eyes level, which is super ideal, I think the data that comes in is more in perspective. See if you can take it from side to side and keep the eyes level, okay? Sometimes people want to look like this or like this. They may have a tweak. You know, it's like kids, we're trying to make something work and we do all kinds of tweaking things. So this is an important joint, leveling the eyes as we ski and we balance over that outside foot. Okay, so leveling the eyes, super important. If you lay it down way over, keep the eyes level. We don't want to be seeing stuff like this. We want the eyes level, so that neck joint is really important. Come over here and see if you can keep the eyes level. We should be actually on this weight on this foot, okay? That's too far over. Okay, I should be balanced on this side here with the eyes level. See, there's all kinds of tweaking that can go on. So it's a good motor skill if you start playing with these things and learn to keep the eyes level.